Welcome to Module 4 of the course, LLM-Powered Agent Frameworks. In the last module, we understood the building blocks of an agent: memory, goals, planning, and tools. Now, it's time to see how all those blocks come together in real-world frameworks, the ones that actually let us build and run intelligent agents today. Let's dive in. What are LLM-powered agents? Imagine combining the language capabilities of ChatGPT with memory, planning, tool usage, and task execution. That's what LLM-powered agents do. These agents are powered by large language models, but they don't stop at just answering prompts. They decide what to do, break big goals into steps, use tools, and keep track of what they've done. Sounds powerful, right? Let's explore the top frameworks making this magic happen. LangChain, the most popular agent framework. LangChain is currently the most widely used framework for building LLM agents. Why? Because it gives you everything you need to build a functioning agent: memory storage, tool integration, agent planning, and seamless LLM orchestration. You can create agents that search the web, summarize documents, analyze data, or even write code step by step intelligently. LangChain also supports different agent types like React agents, which reason and act step by step; conversational agents, like chatbots with long-term memory; tool-using agents that can interact with APIs, files, or calculators. It's powerful, flexible, and integrates well with vector databases, cloud APIs, and your custom tools. In short, LangChain is the Swiss Army knife of agentic AI. AutoGPT, the one that started the craze. Next up, AutoGPT. AutoGPT went viral in 2023 because it was the first agent to run autonomously from just one instruction. You'd type something like, research startup ideas and create a Notion plan, and AutoGPT would start working, thinking, searching, writing, reviewing, and repeating, all on its own. It uses a looped architecture, where the agent sets up goals, completes them, evaluates the results, and continues until the main goal is done. Downside? AutoGPT is heavy and unstable in many real-world cases. It often gets stuck, repeats itself, or uses unnecessary tokens. But as a concept, it paved the way for autonomous AI agents. Baby AGI, the task management prodigy. While AutoGPT tried to do everything, Baby AGI took a smarter route. Baby AGI focuses on task management. It builds a task queue, executes tasks using LLMs, adds new tasks based on results, and reprioritizes. Think of it like a smart to-do list that evolves automatically. It's excellent for research bots, content creation workflows, or automated pipelines. However, Baby AGI is not meant for conversation or chatbot-style use. It's great at getting things done, not talking. Crew AI, the power of teamwork. Now, let's talk about Crew AI. This framework takes things to the next level by introducing multi-agent collaboration. Yes, multiple agents working together as a crew. Each agent has a specific role, like researcher, writer, editor, presenter. They talk to each other, pass tasks, and work in sequence or parallel, just like a real team. Crew AI is perfect when your use case needs specialized skills or task division. For example, building a full report with sections written by different agents, reviewed by another agent, and summarized by yet another. This is scalable agent orchestration, and it's one of the most exciting trends in agentic AI today. Framework comparison, pros and cons. Let's quickly compare these frameworks. LangChain, most flexible and customizable. Supports tools, memory, agents, and chains. Steep learning curve for beginners. AutoGPT, fully autonomous with minimal input. Great for demos and experimentation. Prone to token overflow and looping issues. Baby AGI, smart task management. Simple, elegant architecture. Limited for dynamic, real-time interactions. Crew AI, supports collaboration and task division. Ideal for complex, multi-step projects. Requires clear agent role definitions and structured flows. When to use which framework? Let's keep it simple. Want to experiment and show off cool AI demos? Try AutoGPT. Want to automate structured tasks with evolving to-dos? Go for Baby AI. Need collaboration between multiple agents with roles? Use Crew AI. And if you want full control, powerful customization, and long-term projects, LangChain is your best bet. Final thoughts. LLM-powered frameworks are evolving fast, and they're unlocking new superpowers for developers, startups, and businesses. As we move forward, these frameworks will only get better, with more guardrails, better memory, smarter planning, and deeper integration with real-world tools. That wraps up Module 4, where you discover the real-world tools that bring Agentic AI to life. In the next module, we'll get hands-on and actually build your first LLM-powered agent using one of these frameworks. I'll see you in Module 5, and trust me, it's going to be epic.